Hi, everyone. My name is Arden Radford. I am a PhD candidate in the Earth and Environment Department. Today, I'll be talking briefly about an internship I did with the BU Global Development and Policy Center that grew into some research projects and papers. And that was over quantifying the health risk of new large scale coal fired power plants in local communities in Pakistan and Indonesia. So, to get things kind of established, stable and secure energy infrastructure is essential to human development and economic growth. We need power for things like healthcare, education, industry. Anything we do requires energy. And there's a large growing demand for energy, especially in Southeast Asia. What I have here are two photographs. These are actually power plants that we helped model. On the left, you see a smokestack from the Suralaya coal-fired power plant in Cilegon, Indonesia, and on the right is one of the Port Qasim power plant in Karachi, Pakistan. Now, just looking at these two photos, you notice that these are coal-fired power plants right next to people's homes, places of worship, businesses, smack dab in urban areas. And so that's the key thing too, is that how this power is generated can have really drastic impacts on human health. On the left hand there, you can see all of these bars are corresponding to the amount of power plants being funded and being built. The black bars, which are often the largest ones, are representing coal-fired power plants. Coal-fired power plants, even though there's technology that helps abate the emissions coming out of the smokestacks, can still have a lot of really harmful things being put into the atmosphere. Primarily, what we think about is what we call fine particulate matter, or PM 2.5. PM 2.5 is basically can be absorbed into your bloodstream through your lungs. This causes things like strokes, heart disease, chronic pulmonary issues, and a lot of other health conditions. So, understanding what these power plants are putting into the atmosphere and balancing with that sort of need for energy for human growth and development is really important. And unfortunately, a lot of the kind of impact assessments of these new facilities, a document that says this is going to produce this much pollution, put these many people at risk, are private and inaccessible. So when I came onto this project, is the idea is like, can we develop a better methodology for understanding these health impacts with two important kind of caveats. We want to make sure it was easily accessible and open source, and it was computationally inexpensive. So this nightmare diagram is the methodology, but the key thing here is this blue kind of area I've highlighted, which was me really putting together a methodology for creating a dispersion model, which then would create output that looks something like this on the left-hand side. This is a map showing population, and then the contours are showing how much pollution these people are exposed to. So it was really exciting to work on this project and learn how to work with professional collaborators across the globe. And then excitingly too, this research then was put into two different papers that I worked on with the GDP Center. So it was a really exciting internship. It was a lot of growing pains, but I had a really good time. Thank you.